DRPS
Narito na ang DTX 500 free naturopathic consultation schedule and free health counseling kasama si Doc Jun Alquizar sa Puerto Princesa City Nature's Healing Naturopathic Center, PM Road, K5 News FM Compound, likod ng Kia Motors, Barangay San Manuel, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Every Tuesday and Wednesday sa Rojas, Palawan. Every Monday, located at Baracalan, Rojas, Palawan. Nature's Healing Naturopathic Center, Unit Number 3, Barangay 2, katabi ng LBC, Rojas, Palawan, sa Nara, Palawan.
DRPS
Every Thursday and Friday, located at Faircon Building, Nature's Healing Naturopathic Center, sa tapat ng Roji Mart at South Tricycle Terminal, likod ng Umex Gadget, Nara, Palawan, sa Española, Palawan. Every Sunday and Wednesday, located at the entrance of Española Public Market, tapat ng Van Terminal, sa Cuyo, Palawan, Barangay Tenga-Tenga, tapat ng Fishery Office, Nature's Healing Naturopathic Center, Cuyo, Palawan. Free consultation schedule from Sunday to Friday. Nature's Healing Naturopathic Center, your best partner in health.